What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone's wallpaper keeps disappearing or turning black. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Some iPhone users have reported that their wallpaper keeps disappearing and turning black. This can be annoying and frustrating, especially if you use a custom photo or image that you want to use as your wallpaper. There are several possible causes to this problem, and we'll look at each of their fixes in this video. First, it could be that a temporary software issue is causing your wallpaper to keep disappearing and turning black. To fix this, it's recommended to restart your device. To restart your iPhone, follow these steps in quick succession. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then tap and hold the power button until you see the drag to slide off screen. Proceed to turn off your iPhone, and then boot it up again. After a successful restart, your iPhone wallpaper that keeps disappearing should appear on your device again. In case this did not help, it could be that there is a specific local error with your wallpaper and its associated data. To fix this, it's recommended you delete the wallpaper entirely from your wallpaper library, and then set it back again. To delete the wallpaper, lock your screen, and then turn it back on. While on your lock screen, tap and hold on an empty space until you see all your wallpapers become active. Slide up the problematic wallpaper and then tap on the trash icon to remove it permanently from your device. To add that wallpaper back, just tap on the plus icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And in the Add New Wallpaper pop-up screen, proceed to set the wallpaper back again. Any issue that was causing the previous wallpaper to behave abnormally will be fixed. If all else fails, then make sure to update your iOS version. Open up your iPhone settings. From here, head to General, and then Software Update. Proceed to download and install the latest update before restarting your iOS device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.